Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the open shell stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. This stitch is going to be made up of one row worked into chains. Then you would repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to show you how to make that first row into the chains that I have already made. For this stitch, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 12 plus 2. To start row 1, make one single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're going to skip 2 chains, so working into this third one right here. You're going to make 3 double crochet. Make 1 chain, and then work 3 double crochet into that same chain. And that's how that is looking. You're going to skip 2 chains. You're going to work into this third one, make a single crochet. Skip 2 chains. Into this third one, you're going to make a double crochet, chain 3, and a double crochet into that same chain. So that's how that is looking. Skip 2 chains, work into this third one right here, making a single crochet. Skip 2 chains, into this third one make 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet into that same chain. Skip 2, work into this third one, making a single crochet. Skip 2, working into this third one, make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chains. And then 1 double crochet into that same chain. Skip 2, work 1 single crochet into the last chain of your row. That's how that first row is looking. For row 2, I brought in my test swatch so you can see how the stitch is going to look. To start row 2, make 3 chains on your hook. Into this open space made from a previous double crochet, chain 3 double crochet, you're going to work this one right here, which is the 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet. So make 3 double crochet into that open space. Chain 1, and then make 3 double crochet into that same space. Skip over to this open space made from that previous chain 1 between the blocks of 3 double crochet. You're going to make a double crochet, chain 3, and double crochet in that same space. Skip over to this previous space made from a double crochet, chain 3 double crochet, make 3 double crochet in that space, make a chain, make 3 double crochet in that same space. Skip over to this open space made from a previous chain 1 between the 3 double crochet blocks, make a double crochet, chain 3, and double crochet in that same space. You'll alternate between these 2 stitches until you reach the end of your row. Once you reach the end of your row, you're going to make a double crochet into the tops of these previous chains. So this was a chain 3 on my last row, and you're going to work into the top of it. So that's how row 2 is looking. So like I said earlier, you would just repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet open shell stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.